27 states' attorneys general are urging the Supreme Court to keep former President Donald Trump on the ballot in 2024. They say, quote, the Colorado court's decision to remove Trump threatens to throw the 2024 presidential election into chaos. The court should act now to stop all these strange, far-reaching and injurious results from spinning out of control. West Virginia Attorney General Patrick Morrisey is leading the effort, and he joins me now. AG Morrisey, great to see you as always. Can you even begin to describe the chaos that would ensue if Donald Trump is kept off not just 50 ballots, but just one ballot?
It would truly be amazing in American history if that were to happen. And I don't think that's going to occur, but here are some of the reasons why. First, courts are generally instructed to stay out of the middle, to not interfere with American political affairs. That's actually been a hallmark of how Supreme Court has reviewed cases for a very long time. And I think in this case, the court is going to take a very close look at the insurrection clause, and I'm very hopeful they're going to conclude that this is something that needs to have clear pronouncement from Congress, because if you don't, you would have that chaos across the country. When you're talking about the presidency and the vice presidency, these are two unique positions. And I would argue that that's something that you'd have to get better direction from Congress in terms of the standards that are going to be in place before you take the extreme step of removing people's political decision-making from the process and kicking someone off the ballot. So I think that the arguments on the side of President Trump are strong, and I look forward to submitting these briefs and seeing the action in court.
Yeah, just to be clear, do a little legal explanation here. You're filing an amicus brief on behalf of the president. Obviously, this is something that the president has to fight at the Supreme Court. You provide what's called a friend of the court brief to assist the court in getting more arguments, helping with its reasoning. With that as the backdrop, it seems to me that anything short of a 9-0 decision where you have the Democrat-leaning justices and the conservative-leaning justices coming together needs to happen in this case. Otherwise, democracy, as the Democrats love to always rail about, could actually be in jeopardy. Do you agree?
Well, look, I think that the cases before the court, we always have to have great respect for the court's decision-making, but we have urged the court to be clear and be swift about this, because you're starting to see across the country, there are a number of states. You saw it in Colorado, you're seeing it in Maine, and there'll be other states that will likely join. They want to take the matters into their own hands. So I think the timing is exactly right. We're about a week from the Iowa caucus. And so you don't want to be dealing with this issue deeper into the year. Already we're dealing with the situation where the oral argument is going to be sometime in February. That starts to get deeper into the electoral process. It needs to be resolved. Otherwise, I think you are going to see chaos. And that's why we've urged the court to take it up, and we've urged the court to handle this based upon the history and the context of the Constitution, which I think clearly supports President Trump's position.
Yeah, that little document called the Constitution. Maybe we should get back to it. It seems like it's an important aspect to our country, you know. AG Morrisey, we appreciate your time this morning. Thank you for your fight on this. Keep us posted.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.